Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where smart innovation meets everyday lifestyle upgrades. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile and powerful kitchen companions out there, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie plus Dehydrator plus Convection Oven. If you've ever wanted one appliance that can do it all, fry, roast, bake, reheat, or dehydrate, this CHEFMAN model delivers exactly that. With an XL 10-liter capacity, it's designed to serve the whole family without compromising on performance or taste. At the front, you're greeted by a sleek digital touchscreen featuring 17 customizable cooking presets, from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken and homemade dehydrated snacks. The controls are intuitive and responsive, letting you adjust temperature and cooking time with just a tap. The rotisserie function is a game-changer. It ensures perfectly even roasting, giving your meats that golden brown finish you'd expect from a professional oven. Combine that with convection technology, and you get consistent 360 degrees air circulation for faster, healthier, and more even cooking. The extra-large viewing window and interior light let you monitor your food without opening the door, keeping heat locked in for better results. Plus, the auto shutoff and overheat protection ensure safety with every use. Its dehydrator mode lets you create healthy fruit chips, jerky, or dried herbs, while the air fryer mode gives you that delicious crisp texture, all with up to 98% less oil than traditional frying. And when it's time to clean, the removable drip tray and accessories make the process quick and simple. With its sleek black modern finish, this CHEFMAN air fryer oven isn't just functional, it's an upgrade to your kitchen's entire aesthetic. So if you're ready to simplify cooking, save counter space, and enjoy healthier meals with gourmet flavor, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer is exactly what you need. Grab yours now, link in the description, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Gadgetverse for more reviews on tech that makes your daily life smarter and tastier.